to all the boys and girls of Samoa. It's from Zip Soul, Mr. T, Shy Guy, and my mic.
Zafaunga olene yolanga ifai nobo atine umamatama leilo anfua fuanga imelele mani mealeanga mana tuale tasinungana umahutine ofo iutama fa ale leilo olanga bafa eva solo ile tolanga Leulanga game uma be fia eva ile musika lelea oi malau paanga eva fia ilo langa sunga sole si itau tona alava le tasi alava le na se awa fia ai ayanga inane e moane ua e papala
eva mai malui mai Fafale masoso mai Ko kei me umasunga yo mawhai family Welo whaku nga waku mga yo mga koe tau whaiak yo Maor whai mai wai alu awa e wai abe kampani Master lilo mai Sa e ngi mea soli ke mau mai Nga o kanga kau whaavale ngale umau kupai leo mai A e Shy Guy Fiu vidi vili ngale kani me mai I e lese I mai au mai e skisi victim sip so e misi
To the beat and let your thoughts run through. Think of the times when we was busting the groove up on the dance floor, baby, we was letting it loose. We made it seem like it was just me and you. All eyes on us while we do what we do, and when we do what we do, we make it look so cool. Slow dance, hold hands under a white full moon. We should start our own class cause we so damn good. The way you synchronize every single one of your moves. My moves so light, I make it look so smooth. I know you're feeling me, girl, cause I'm feeling you too. R&B, baby, rhythm and blues.